Earth signs, welcome to your reading. This is a reading for Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. This is for the first week of February. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Not every message is meant for everyone. All right. Cross watchers, welcome in. This could be a reading for you. You could be dealing with an earth sign. Guys, before we start the reading, take a deep breath. A deep breath and allow the universal love, peace, harmony, and gratitude to come in. And let go of any negative emotion that you are currently holding on to. Anything that stresses you out, any anxiety, any sadness of the past that you are still holding on. Time to release and set yourself free. We are all pure source energy. Feel that in every moment. Be in the now. There is no past, there is no future. All there is now. It's this moment that we have. Earth signs, this is the reading for you guys. Feel the light of the candle shining bright in your lives. The universe is always protecting us, guiding us with the way forward. We are all growing spiritually. From the physical, from the material way of living, we are moving into a more conscious way of living, the feeling of oneness. It is within us. Alright, earth signs, this is a reading for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What is the message that needs to be said to my earth signs for the first week of February? Remember, the readings are timeless. If you are watching this, whenever you're watching this, the message is meant for you. Fire signs, okay, I guess we have shuffled it enough. Fire signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Clear messages for you guys. Woo! All right. Earth signs, right? Did I by any chance say fire sign? I hope I did not. If I did, you could be dealing with a fire sign. You can watch the fire sign reading. Yes, this is about love. Okay, so from the wisdom of the oracle, you have the first card that comes out is new life. Stepping into a new phase in your life or leaving behind what doesn't serve you. Closures, ending of cycles, completing patterns that no longer belong to you. Once you step into the new life, that is the treasure island that you belong to. Have a good look at these cards. I do get this feeling that everything here is in the now. So I think this is the energy that you really need to tap into. It's all around you, very blissful, very open, happy, and at peace. Relax yourself. All right. Some really good cards you have from the wisdom of the oracle. Okay. Let's see. Not this. We'll clarify only if it's really necessary. Otherwise, if the message is clear, I don't think we would need clarification. Let's see what the tarot has to speak for the earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, for the first week of February. Messages for the earth signs for the first week of February. Please show me what I need to speak. Decipher the messages clearly. For the highest good of Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Alright, this is the last shuffle. Okay. Alright, the overall energy for the reading is the Judgment. What is it that you need to decide? You're deciding to let go of something and stepping into a new life. Let's see. Wow. Earth signs, what's up with you guys? A lot of new, fresh energy. Ooh. All right. So far you have 3 major arcanas, 4 major arcanas. What's going on? Earth signs. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Wow. Earth signs. A very, very stable life forward, definitely. A very financially secure life. And yes, we all go through tough times, and I guess tough times are gone for you now. Yes, you are deciding to step into a new life for yourself. Yes, the energy that surrounds you right now, Ace of Pentacles crossed by the Empress. Standing in your complete power. Empress is Taurus or Libra. I do see a lot of air here. You could be dealing with an air sign. Okay, there are a few cards I'll clarify here. But yes, you are moving forward in a balanced life, in a more stable and concrete phase. I think you have built a very good foundation. I do hear that. You have the strength to let go, and I think you are already, now is the time to, I think you are emotionally disconnecting from whatever that doesn't serve you. I think you guys have been tapping into your intuitive powers. You are listening to what your soul is speaking, and that has brought you here at this stage in life. Something that was out of your control might have caused you some pain, some hurt in the past. You might still be dealing with it, and I think that's the pain you are walking away from. But we'll see. I would want to clarify here. You were hoping for a reconciliation possibly in the past, and that kept you stuck probably. For some, it could have happened, for some, it did not happen. And yes. Wow, okay. You may have felt tired waiting for the person to come in. Earth signs. You are always, earth signs are very grounded, I feel. You know what is the best for you, and you will put yourself first. I think we all should put ourselves first. It's time to let go of what doesn't belong to you. Whatever belongs to you will stay with you. The universe is bringing in a lot of balance into your life. It is only a matter of time for you and your decision to let go of whatever it is that is causing you mental agony, emotional agony, anything that you are holding on to will cause you pain. Don't attach yourself to things. It's time to let things be in the natural state of flow. In the future, there is the moon card. So what is it that's coming and you are not seeing it? It's coming for your signs. What is it that you are not seeing? It's coming for your signs. Okay. Oh, a lot of pentacles here. New learnings in terms of, you have the page, the knight, and the king of pentacles here. Very, very grounded energy. Earth signs, it is your energy, which tells me that you are standing in your power. Steady movement forward. You are learning new things that will help you evolve, that will help you grow. Here I don't see an outside person, maybe at least so far I don't. In the outcome and in the external influence position, there could be something, but we'll see if someone is coming in for you. I do see this is you standing in your highest potential and feeling so confident all by yourself that you don't feel the need to have someone. You are so full of yourself is what I was going to say. Maybe it's time to be grounded for a few of you guys. Ground yourself. Walk bare feet on grass. That will help give all the grounding that you need. Be a little more grounded, guys. I do strongly feel that here. All right. Wow. Okay. Don't get caught up in your head about Don't get caught up in your head about things. You are moving away from something that caused you pain, and that moving forward is going to bring in something new into your life, something that a passionate new beginning in your life. Maybe you standing in your power will attract somebody who's at the same level as you are. Listen to your intuition, and I think you are tapping into your most intuitive, all the intuitive messages that are coming through. I think your divine spirit guides are speaking to you right now. Make sure that you are open to receiving all the messages. Those are for your highest good. We are always protected and surrounded by positive energy, all the love. That's what we are made of. The outcome of the reading for earth signs is 10 of Pentacles. Again, earth is about pentacles. Pentacles represent earth. So tells me that you are standing in your power, and once you do that, once you completely are standing and vibrating at your highest being, in your highest form, you will be attracting somebody of the same level. Right now, I do see you standing in your power. For some, it could be time to get a little more grounded. Feel the earth beneath you. Meditate, sit with yourself. Don't get caught up in your head. Relax. It's coming. Whatever you've put in all the effort in yourself, and whatever work you have done on you is going to reflect on the outside too. The inside reflecting on the outside. That's what I feel. However you feel within, it's going to be projected without. Alright guys, that's the message from the tarot. Let's see one last oracle message for you. I think we need to move some. One last message of guidance for the earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Message for the highest good. This message of guidance for the earth signs. I'll read this out from the book. You get the message. Dharma. Let's read it out. Your highest purpose. Congratulations, you are on the path to fulfilling your highest purpose. You have recently unraveled deeper insight into why you were put here on this planet and are ready to share your gifts in a bigger way. You have realized that the obstacles you have faced were given to you for a reason and have provided you with the strength you needed to show up as your highest self. The universe is ready for you to rise up into your Dharma role to uplift the vibration of this entire planet. Continue to listen to the whispers of your soul. We have a very, very clear message from the yogic path. And I guess this one card speaks it all. Stand into your true power, the true self. What you feel within is going to be projected, is going to be your life. You're going to be surrounded with the same energy that you currently are in. So remember to vibrate in the highest energy, the highest vibration of love, That's what we all are. All right, earth signs, that's the reading for you guys. I hope this has resonated with, if not everyone, at least the most of you here. This message felt very specific, could have resonated only with a few of you guys. But please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. My intention is always to bring in whatever message needs to come through me. Alright guys, hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead and hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.